meter prism finder, it has two types, PME90 and or PME45. The benefits for the user who put the eyeglass are very useful to adjusting by or adjust the diopter. And when you're focused and are correctly to your eyes or your eyeglass, then you locked prism are designed for look at 45 degree or to look in 90 degree. User who was very tall or maybe 6 feet higher than that, okay, I recommend the PME45. For the charger, I recommend PME90. You have to find some books or manual for more details in use. This is just for demonstrate and having fun with some light meter in the prism finder. 200 model that's built in the light meters. You no need to use the PME prism finder because it's more expensive and more heavy. For non-meter prism is cheaper and more convenient and lower weight when you carry out or when you're holding. But anyway, you can use, no problem. I use center weighted metering and I'll check what's display. It's 8.5. 8.5, it means between 8 and 9. The PME90 is display the shutter speed and the f-stops, not like the PME45 that display the value in EV or exposure values. Doesn't matter whether using the EV or shutter speed or F number, because it's very, very convenient to use. Okay, I use the shutter speed on the lens. Okay, mirror lock up. When remove the lens from the tube, have to be remove the lens from the tube and then remove the tube from the camera body. Okay. To prevent the shutter speed locks and some mechanical mistake. Wishing everyone enjoy and understanding roughly how to use the meter prism finder. Even you use the external light meters or you use the internal meters from the 200 camera bodies, or you use the 500 camera or 2000 camera models and use meter prism finders is not any problems. Just the main thing, the experience we have together is enjoy shooting, enjoy photography with yourself and or with your family and sharing them together for inspiration and make relationship. Thank you for watching and enjoy your weekend. Sawadee.